So this is what I made. Ready na siya for frying. Let's go. Ayan. Super fine. Perfect. Perfect kaano siya. Oh God, perfect kaano siya. Ayan, so pinatay ko muna siya kasi ito ready to deliver na sa friend ko. I will deliver this with to my friend, teacher Tongtang, because I never given them na Pinoy food ba? I never let them try pa ng Pinoy food. So, pinatay ko muna kasi nasunog siya, my God. So, dahil may naluto na ako for yung dinner, tikpan natin ang lumpia a la Maria. Mm, sarap. Dapat nito may sauce. Soy sauce or ketchup. Or in beef. Bye!